my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today I am collaborating with this YouTuber I met on Instagram, and her name is Vanessa. And let me tell y'all a few things about Vanessa. She is a mom. She was born in Arkansas. Y'all know I'm from Arkansas, so I just had to throw that little fun fact in there. But she lives in Texas. And y'all need to go check her out, like, after y'all finish watching my video, because we are bringing y'all like the summertime fun hairstyles and makeup look in this videos. But y'all got to finish watching my video to see how my whole look came out. And after y'all finish watching my video, y'all be sure to go over there and check out Vanessa, because y'all, she do all type of makeup looks over there. Say for instance, if you need an ideal, like a makeup idea for the holiday, y'all, she got y'all. She does, like, she plays in all type of colors, from purple to blue to gold to pink, like all different type of colors. And y'all, she is really good. She is slaying over there on her channel, so y'all need to go and check her out. And the palette that we are gonna be using is the Nubian to Juvias Place palette. And I'm also gonna tell y'all about the wig that I'm wearing. Her name is Dashley. Y'all know the Sensational Dashley line has been popping lately on YouTube, so I had to go ahead and feed into the hype. I was like, okay, let me, because I've been having my eye on this unit right here for a while, so I decided to go ahead and get it. And yes, y'all, I know it's an older unit, but hey, it's new to me, and I just wanted to check it out and see, okay, let me see what she's about. And the color I got her in is T2 Fuchsia. And she does come with baby hairs. And y'all, when I'm telling y'all, it says deeps in the part. And y'all, they did not lie about this parting space or the baby hairs, but I'm gonna get more into that later. And if y'all want to see how this whole look is going to come together, just okay, y'all, the first shade I'm going to be going in with is called Madagascar. And the next shade I will be using on my eyelids is called Sheba. And last but not least, I will be using this shade called Kenya. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. I y'all already know, if y'all been watching my channel for a while, then y'all already know how I do my makeup. Y'all know I try not to complicate things. And I didn't go for a cut crease. I just went with a basic eyeshadow look using the 3 colors that I showed y'all during the video. And this is the finished makeup look right here. And this wig, y'all, I love her. I really like the color, and I really like the style. And you know, I even tried to add an accessory over here. Y'all see that? I'm trying to get better, y'all. I'm trying. And this is how the hairline looks. Don't mind this over here. Don't mind it over here. Just look on this side. This side is better than this side. But yeah, the details about this Dashley unit right here is the lace unit 10, and the color is T2 Fuchsia, and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and she has a deep center part, and she has baby hairs, which I try to lay. But every time, see, like, I be laying them down good, and it's like every time I use a scarf to like really lay down my edges, the scarf always messing it up. So I was like, dang, what's the point of doing baby hairs if they're gonna mess up? But Dashley, she comes in all sorts of colors, y'all. I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all know that she comes in the color 613, LT 613 pink, LT 613 blue, and she doesn't come in any natural colors. These are the colors right here. And like I said, the color that I have is a T for a fuchsia, and she has a dark root. And I think they did really good with the parting space, y'all. And she is very soft. I know she has the like the little crust in it, but I don't mind that because this is a synthetic unit and it is a colored unit. It's like it's colored all the way through, like even in the back, as y'all can see. And I will link the price and everything in the description box below. And y'all, the eyeshadow look that Vanessa is gonna create for y'all is gonna be like a more dramatic type of look, and I was just going for the everyday look. The beginner friendly look, and her look is gonna be more advanced. So y'all have to go check her out too, and tell her that I sent you. And if y'all are with me this long, leave a pink heart in the comment section below. Tell me what y'all think about this unit right here. Tell me what do y'all think about the color. I think this is very, very summertime friendly, because you know it's summertime, and you know it's all about the bright colors. It's all about the pretty makeup looks. But like, I don't know if I'm just gonna be wearing makeup out in this Arkansas heat, because it ain't gonna do no good, because the makeup just gonna sweat off anyway. So when I go outside, it's just gonna be like a more natural look. I'll just probably like do my eyebrows, and that's about it. And put concealer on. Like, I don't go out in public like this, not especially during the summertime, y'all, because it's gonna get hot, like super hot. But I like this color. She does tangle and she shades, but I don't mind, because it's a synthetic unit, and all synthetic units is gonna do that. But I like this color. The color is what got me, and she doesn't feel very hard at all. She has a very soft texture to her. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to hit on to Vanessa's channel and tell her that I sent y'all. Tell me what y'all think about this whole look right here. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.